Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy S26 Ultra and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode. So let's open the settings and we can do it just by tapping on this 4 dots icon in the right upper corner, I believe. And here we've got our timer. As you can see, this icon with this, I don't know, clock or something like that. So just tap on it. And in this device, we've got 4 different options. So off, 2, 5, and 10 seconds delay. So let me choose 10 seconds delay. Just tap on the option that you'd like to use. As you can see, it is immediately highlighted here. And here in the camera, so we can quickly check whether we've got the timer set or not without the need to enter the settings. And now all we have to do is to tap on the shutter button, and from now on our device will count down from 10, 5 or 2, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. Alright, so this is how it works. Of course it was a little bit delayed because I've got the flashlight turned on, and we've got an additional timer which is connected with the night mode, something like that. So just make sure that you've got off here to remove additional countdown. Alright, so this is how it works, and if you'd like to turn off the timer, you can either tap right here, so you've got more options and among others off, or you can simply open the settings, but obviously it is a little bit longer, so just tap on it and choose this icon here. And from now on, your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.